current division rule for complex circuit. Okay, so everyone come. Hello. Okay, so first of all, what about current division rule? Suppose that a current source given like that one, parallel resistance R1 and here R2, two branch resistance R1 and R2, a connected with connected source IS, current source like that one. So first of all, I know that if someone consider here I1, here I2, so what about IS? IS is written as I1 plus I2, simply. Here I1 and I2. What's the problem? I hope so everyone come. Here current source given like that one. Here a parallel resistance R1 and that one is R2. Our motto determine I1 and I2. Okay. So first of all, I know that what about Kirchhoff's law? Kirchhoff's law say incoming current at any node. Suppose that one is this one is a node. Okay. So incoming current at that node is IS. Outgoing current is I1 and here I2. Okay. So sum of, so you can read right now here simply bring wait here I2. Okay. Incoming current IS and outgoing current I1 plus I2. Okay. Outgoing current I1 plus I2. Now both are I1 R1 voltage are same because both resistance are parallel. So that one written I1 into R1 is written as how much? I2 into R2. I2 into wait. I'll restart again. Okay. I'll restart again. Current division rule. Okay. Here current source like that one and resistance R1 and that one resistance R2. In this branch current I1 given, here I2 given. Our motto determine I1 and I2 in the terms of IS and R1 R2. Okay. So wait, I will restart again. That's why. Wait, I will start. Now, hello everyone. Today we'll focus on current division rule. So first of all, I have discussed what about current division rule, and after that how can apply. Okay. So here, if two resistors given R1 R2 like that one, both are parallel, and here current in R1 branch, that is I1, and here I2, and current source given like that one. So what about I1? So I know that if you apply KCL at that node, then you written here IS is equal to I1 plus I2. Simple, very simple. Okay. After that, both are parallel, so voltage are same, corresponding this resistance and this resistance. So written I1 into R1, this is equal to I2 into R2. What about I2? I1 into R1 divided by R2. If that value put here, then we got IS. IS is equal to I1 plus how much? I1 into R1 divided by R2. So what about I1? I1 is written as IS into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Clear or not? If that value put here, then we got what about I2? I2 is IS into R1 divided by R1 plus R2. Okay? If you see very carefully, these two. Okay? How can memorize that formula? Very simple. Very simple. If you determine I1, means if first of all, if this one, that one direction upward and that one is downward, then IS is positive, and resistance corresponding to parallel resistance, that is parallel resistance divided by sum of these two resistance. Okay, clear or not? How can memorize that formula? If both current direction are opposite, then IS is positive, and parallel resistance divided by sum of these two resistance. Simple, very simple. If you see, determine that current, first of all check this current direction upward and that one is downward. So IS is positive. Opposite direction, that's why positive. IS into R1, parallel resistance is R1 divided by sum of these two resistance, like that one. Okay. So if suppose that if that circuit is given like circuit is given like a current source direction here, okay, that is capital I, and here R3 and here R4. Okay, and suppose that I3 and here I4. Our motor determine I3 and I4. So what about I3? If you compare that one for corresponding to that circuit, this formula is valid corresponding to if current source direction upward and resistance given like that one and given like that one. If someone say what about I1 and what about I2, so that time apply simple, memorize that formula. But someone say what about that one? How can we memorize? According to that one, if you compare, what about IS? IS in the terms of I, that is minus I. If you retain, if you compare that IS, this one is opposite to this one, that's why I, and that value put here, then we call I3 is minus I R4 divided by R3 plus R4. Clear or not? If you compare, or you can, how can memorize? If both direction same, this current source and you determine current direction, both are same direction, then return I minus I. Okay. If you, any confusion, then this one is written corresponding to here. That is 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 written as minus I. Okay. Then after that, I3 like that one and I4 like that one. If anyone faced doubt, then tell me, I will explain again. If anyone face any queries corresponding to that one, then tell me, I will explain again. Someone says, sir, mesh analysis tutorial, I will discuss tomorrow. Okay, mesh analysis based problem. So today we'll focus on current division rule. Okay, so if you focus on that one, because of some problem also I will take. Clear? Now, so how can you apply? So first of all, we have taken some problem. How can apply in complex circuit in with the help? How can solve complex circuit with the help of current division rule? Okay. So we have taken some problem related to current division rule. Okay. Suppose that a voltage source given like that one, a resistance represent like that one. After that, a resistance like that one. Okay. After that, another resistance. Okay. And this one is connected to that one, and this one connected to that one. Okay. Here plus, here minus. Our motto determine current in our branch. Okay. Our motto determine current in all branch, that is 40 volt, and that one is 3 ohm, that is 4 ohm, that is 1 ohm, that is 2 ohm. Okay. Our motto determine current in all branch. Okay. So first of all, how can we here 4, 3, 1 and 2, and that is 40. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how can we determine current in our branch? Means here, what about I1? What about I2? What about I3? What about I4? And what about I5? Okay. So first of all, determine that current. Okay. Determine that current. So how can we determine? If you see very carefully, using the circuit reduction method, 2 and 1 are parallel, so combination of these two we got this one make that one, and that one is 40 volt. Okay, that is 4. Combination of these two, 2 into 1 divided by, that is basically here I1, here I2, and here I3. Combination of these two, how much? 2 into 1 divided by 2 plus 1, 3. Both are parallel. So 1 into 2 divided by 2 plus 1, that is 3. So 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 ohm. And that one is 1 ohm. And that one is 3 ohm. After that, if you reduce that circuit again, then we got, that is 3 ohm. Sorry, using that color. That is 3 ohm plus minus. Combination of these two, both are parallel. So 1 into 2 by 3 divided by 1 plus 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 3. So we got 2 by 5. So that one is how much? 2 by 5 ohm. Okay. And what about current in this branch? That is I1. Here I1, and that is 3 ohm. Here I1, and that is 40 volt. So what about I1? These two resistance in series. So simply I1 is written 40 by 3 plus 2 by 5. Then we got 40 divided by 17 divided by 5. So we got 200 divided by how much? 17 ampere. I1 is 200 divided by 17 ampere. Okay. So first of all, recheck again that I1 is right or wrong. Otherwise, silly mistake here. That one is 4 ohm. That one is 4 ohm. Okay. So 4 into 2 by 3 divided by 4 plus 2 by 3. That is 8 divided by 12 plus 2, 14. So 4 by 7. So basically that one is 4 by 7. This one is 4 by 7. That is 4 by 7 ohm. So what about I1? I1 is 40 divided by 3 plus 4 by 7. Clear? After that we got 40 into 7 divided by 25. Okay, 40 by 25, that is 8 by 5. That is 8 by 5 and 8 into 7. 56 divided by 5. 56 divided by 5. Then what about that one? 11.2 ampere. So basically I1 is how much? 11.2 ampere. Clear or not? If anyone faced doubt, then tell me, I will explain again. This is I1. I1 is 11.2. Okay? I1 is how much? I1 is 11.2 ampere. If anyone faced doubt, then tell me, I will explain again. Okay? So finally, how can we got I1? Simply, these two are parallel, so combination of these two, that is 2 by 3. After that, There is 2 by 3 and here 4. Combination of these two, we got 4 by 7. After that, these two in series and that is 40 volt. So 40 divided by 3 plus 4 by 7. That is how much? 11.2 ampere. This is I1 current. This is I1 current. So you can remove. After that, next target is our motto. I1, we got I1 is how much? Like that one. If you see very carefully, if our target is apply current division rule, means I1 direction, if you I1 direction like that one, and here 4 and here that is how much? That is 4 ohm and that is 2 by 3 ohm. What about I2 and I3? Simply, if you see this one, if that one is compared to our formula, we have developed corresponding to that one. Here R2, here R1, here I1, here I2, here IS. I1 is written IS into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So same thing, if you determine I2, that I2 current. So I2 is I1 into 2 by 3 divided by 4 plus 2 by 3. Now compare, what about I1? I1 is how much? 11.2. 11.2 into 2 by 3 whole divided by, take LCM, that is 12, 4 into 3, 12 plus 2, 14. 14 by 3, 14 by 3 cancel out. Okay, after that we got 11.2 into 2 divided by how much? 14, means you can divide by, we got 7. 7 1 7. Okay, 7, that is 1.6. Okay, so I2 is how much? 1.6 ampere. So basically I2 is how much? 1.6 ampere. So what about I3? Simply, first of all, make it. If anyone faced doubt corresponding to that step, then tell me, sir, I faced out. Otherwise, I will erase that one. Okay. Simply apply. If you see this one, I1 direction here like that one, current source, here I2 and here I3. If you compare that one, I1 basically IS. Okay. And our motor determine I2 current means that current I1. Okay. If you determine I1 means R2 into IS divided by sum of these two resistance. Similarly, same thing if you apply the here. If our motor determine I2, I2 means I1 into 2 by 3 divided by sum of these two resistance. Then we got how much? 1.6 ampere. 1.6 ampere. Clear or not? That is 1.6 ampere. This is the I2 current. How can you determine I3? If you have, so I hope so that one is clear. So we have focus on I3. You can apply here simply KCL. If you apply KCL, I1 is equal to I2 plus I3. Then what about I3? I1 is 11.2. And what about I2? Oh, minus 1.6. Then how much? 12 minus 6, that is 6. 10 minus 1, 9. So that was 9.6 ampere. Otherwise, you can apply here also current division rule. I think this is equal to I1. I1 is basically 11.2 into what about resistance? Parallel resistance, that is 4 divided by sum of these two. So 4 plus 2 by 3, that is 14 by 3. 14 by 3. After that, if you 7 and that is 3, so we got 11.2 into 3 divided by 7 and 7 4 ja, that is how much? 7 1 is 7, 7 6 ja. So Wait. Recheck again. If you apply I3 means 11.2 into 4 divided by 4 plus 2 by 3, that is 12 plus 14 by 3, that is 14 by 3 means 3 going on here. So if you divide by 2, then we got how much? 7. Clear? Now 7 1 just 7, 7 6 ja. Okay. Now after that 3 2 just 6, 6 16 6 ja. 9.6, and here is right answer. It means you can determine with the help of KCL or with the help of current division rule, that is 9.6. Okay, so that one is 9.6 ampere. Now here I2 is how much? 1.6 ampere, and here going on 9.6 ampere. Clear? So after that, if you this one is removed. If anyone faced doubt, then tell me. If anyone faced doubt, then tell me. I will explain again. First of all, if anyone faced doubt, then tell me. I will explain again. Okay. First of all, if you face any doubt corresponding to any step, hello. Tell me. So I3 is how much? 9.8. If you this one make again, I3 like here, and that one is I4, and that one is how much? This one is 1 ohm and that is 2 ohm, and here I5 and here I4. Okay. If anyone faced doubt, then tell me. I will explain again. Okay. Okay. Now, if you see this one and this one, again apply current division rule. If you determine I4 basically written I3 plus I3. Why? Because of both current direction and opposite. That's why written I plus I3 into parallel resistance of that current, that is 2, divided by 2 plus 1, that is 3. And what about I3? I3 is how much? 9.6. That is 9.6 into 2 divided by 3. 3 3 is 6.4 ampere. I4 is how much? 6.4 ampere. Okay. Now, if you determine I5, then what about I5? You can apply again with the help of KCL. Incoming current 9.6. Here, how much? 6.4 ampere. Then what about current? This minus this, that is I5. Otherwise, you can apply current division rule. I3 is how much? 9.6 into 4. Our motor determine that current. So 1 divided by 3. 3 3 jar and 3 2 jar. Okay. So how much? That is 3.2 ampere, and that was 6.4 ampere. Okay. And that one is 9.6 ampere. Okay. Make it. If anyone faced doubt, then tell me. I will explain again. If anyone faced doubt, then tell me. I will explain again. Okay? If anyone faced doubt, then tell me. I will explain again. If anyone faced doubt, okay? If anyone faced doubt, then tell me. I will explain again. Okay? anyone faced out corresponding to any step, then tell me. I think voice is clear. If anyone faced out, then tell me. I will explain again. Okay? If anyone faced out, I will explain again. Okay? Okay? So now I will take another problem also. Now we have considered that one is plus minus, and here a resistance like that one, again a resistance like that one, here resistance like that one, and again resistance like that one, after that again resistance like that one. Okay. This one is 20 ohm, that is 60 ohm. This one is 25 ohm, and that one is 24 ohm, and then one is 20 ohm, and that one is 50 ohm, and that one is 30 ohm. Our motor determine current in this branch. Basically our motor determine output voltage and also current in R branch. And what about resistance? That is 10 ohm. Okay. Using current division rule, determine all parameters. Okay. Using current division rule, determine current in all branch. Okay. That branch current I1, here given I2, here I3, here I4, here I5, here I6, here I7. Okay. First of all, everyone try. After that, I will solve. Okay. First of all, everyone try, then I will solve. Okay. How can I do? How can I start? From which version? Basically, if you determine I1, then after that determine R current. Okay. So first of all, we have focus on I1. So how can we determine I1? Basically, if whole circuit with the help of reduction method, whole circuit reduced to and determine I1. After that, apply current division rule, and then we got all parameters. All parameters basically determine current in all branch. Okay. Sometimes say what about voltage? Then if you could determine current, then also determine voltage. Okay, so how can do it? If anyone faced doubt or any problem regarding to that one, sir, I face the problem, I'm not understand about your lecture and whatever, what is your queries corresponding to my live lecture, then tell me if any advice, any queries, this lecture is going on good direction or bad direction, or slow or fast. So if you give me valuable feedback, then it's very helpful for you and also from my side also. In the next lecture I will definitely resolve your queries. Okay, first of all, everyone try. First of all, reduce here to here and determine I1, and then determine I2 and other parameter. You can do. First of all, try. Everyone try. Everyone do. Comment it. I will solve. I will got the answer. Okay? If you give the answer, then so I hope so. Most of the students try. After that, see here. What is the best trick? What is the best trick? Okay? What is the best trick? First of all, if you see very if you see very carefully, these two resistance series. So 50 plus 30. So if you make that one, and these two resistance also in series, sorry, parallel. So 60 into 2 divided by how much? 80. 15. That is 15 ohm. And that is 25 ohm. And that one is 24 ohm. And that one is how much? 20 ohm. After that, how much? 50 plus 30. That is 80 ohm. Okay? Now, this one remove. After that is how much? 15 volt. Here I1, here I2 current, here I5, here I6, here I7. After that, these two are parallel, so combination of these two, 80 into 2 divided by how much? 100. So that is 16 ohm. So combination of these two, we got how much? 16 ohm. That is 16 ohm. And that one is 24. And that one is 16 ohm. 15 plus 10. Then how much? 40 ohm. And here that is 10 ohm. That is 10 ohm. Okay? After that, and here, what about current? I5. And here, what about current? I2. And what about current? I1. After that, 24 and 40, that is, sorry, 16, that is 40. 40 and 40 are parallel, so combination of these two, we got this one 10 and that one 20 ohm. Okay? And what about current in this branch? I1, and that one is 10 ohm. And here, what about voltage source? That is 15 volt. If anyone faced doubt in any step, then tell me, I will explain again. Hello everyone, I hope so. I hope so you feel energy. I hope so you feel energetic. for that type of problem. Okay, I hope so. Now after that, if you see very carefully, 10 and 20 in series. So what about I1? I1 is 15 divided by 30, that is 1 by 2, that is 0.5 ampere. So I1 is how much? 0.5 ampere. So basically that current is 0.5 ampere. It means that current is 0.5 ampere. It means that current is 0.5 ampere. Clear? Now again, if you see that circuit, here I1 and here 40 and here what combination of these two, 40 and here 40 ohm, and here what about I2 and here I5. So what about I5? Both resistance are same, so you can say that I2 is I1 by 2, or you can apply also current division rule with the help of current division rule. First of all, both current direction in opposite, so I2 is written plus I1 into 40 divided by 40 plus 40, that's 80. So 1 by 2, and that is 0.5 divided by 2, that is how much? 2.5, 0.25. So what about I2? I2 is 0.25, 0.25, and same current also here, because sum of these two, this is equal to 0.5. If here 0.5, that is also 0.5, because that one is 0.5. If you any doubt, then 0.5 minus 0.25, then we got 0.25. Okay, clear or not? It means in that branch, what about current? 0.25 ampere, and here 0.25 ampere. Okay, in this branch, that is how much? 0.25 ampere, and that one is 0.25 ampere. Clear or not? Again, if you see very carefully, again here current direction, here 60 ohm, here 20 ohm. Our target is determine I3 and I2, and here 0.25 ampere. So what about I3? I3 simply written 0.25 into 20 divided by current division with the help of current division rule. Sum of these two, that is 80. So 4, 0.25 divided by 4. Clear? So 0.25 divided by 4 is how much? Basically that is 0.25 means 0.0625. Okay? 1 by 4 basically 0.25 and also 0.25. So we got 0.0. So that one is written basically, there's I3. I3 is 0.0625 ampere. So what about that current? This minus this, that is called I4. Or other word, you can also apply current division rule, 0.25 into 60 divided by sum of these two, 80. Okay? So that is 3 and that is 4. Okay, 0.0625 into 3. So 3, 5. Seven and 0.18. That is how much? What about current? 1.1875 ampere. Okay. sum of these two, we got 0.25. Okay, clear? Now next target, our target, determine that current and that current. Again apply current division rule. Okay, so first of all, that one again remove, and that one removing, and this one removing, otherwise lot of confusion. I5, okay, I5 is how much? 0.25, and that one is 20 ohm, and that one is 30 ohm. Okay, here I6 and here I7. I6 is how much? 0.25 into 30 divided by sum of these two, that is 50. Okay, so that is 1 by 2, that is 0. That one is 10. 70335 15. 0.75. 0.75 divided by 5, that is how much? 0.15 ampere. Okay, so I6 is 0. That one is 0.15 ampere. Okay, now after that, what about I7? I7 is 0.25 minus 0.15, that is 0, and here 10, 0.1. So here 0.1 ampere. Okay, final answer. So V0 is how much? 3 volt. Multiplication of these two, 30 into 0.1. So that is 3 volt. Okay. So finally we got answer. I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6, I7, and also output voltage V0. If anyone faced doubt, then tell me, I will explain again. Okay? So recheck again. So first of all, everyone can try. If one any faced doubt, then tell me. If anyone faced doubt, then tell me. If anyone faced doubt, then tell me, I will explain again. Now we have taken last problem. Okay. That current source is given, that is how much, 6 ampere, and that one is 2 ohm, and here 1 volt, 1 ohm. After that okay, and here that is 3 ohm. So first of all, this one you can remove. This one is 1 ohm, and that one is 4 ohm, and that one connect here like that one. Here 3 ohm, here 6 ohm, here 4 ohm, and that one is how much, 12 ohm, and that one is 8 ohm, and here 2 ohm given. Okay, our target determine current in all branch. Okay, and what about voltage Vx also? Okay, so first of all, everyone try. First of all, everyone try. Okay, with the help of current division rule. Everyone can try. You can do, everyone. Then after that I will solve. Okay. This one basically 1.2 ohm. That resistance given 1.2 ohm. Okay. So how can do it? First of all, if you see very carefully, consider here I1, here I2, here I3 current, here I4 current, here I5 current, here I6 current, here I7 current, and here I8 current. Okay, the whole circuit is reduced. If you that circuit make like that one, that is 4 ohm. Combination of these two, 6 and 3 parallel. So 6 into 3 divided by 9, 18 by 9, that is 2 ohm. So that one is 2 ohm, and that one is 4 ohm. Okay, and what about that resistance, 1.2 ohm, combination of these two, 8 into 2 divided by 10, that is 1.6. Okay, that is how much, that is 8.6. Okay, ohm, and that one is 1 ohm, that is 2 ohm, and this one is a current source, that is how much, 6 ampere. Okay, after that, here what about current in this branch, I1, here I2, and here I3, and here I6. Okay, after that, if you see 1.2 and 1.6, that is 1.8. If you make that one is 2.8, that is sum of these two, that is how much, 2.8, and combination of these two, that is how much, 6 ohm, and that is 1 ohm, and that is 2 ohm, and that is how much, 6 ampere. After that, here current I1, here current I2, and here current I3, and here current I4. Clear or not? Okay? If anyone faced doubt corresponding to any step, then tell me. I will explain again. Okay? 3, 6, okay, that is 4. That one, basically this one is a 12. Okay, if this one is a 12, it means 12 into 8. 12 into 8 divided by 20. So we got how much? 6 into 8 divided by 10. That is 4.8. That one is 4.8 ohm. So combination of these two, that is 6 ohm. Okay. So here silly mistake, here 12 ohm, not 2. Okay, that's why making here. Okay, now here 6, here 1, here 2. After that, these two, combination of these two, that is 3 ohm. So that one is making, that is 2 ohm. Here, combination of these two, 6, both are parallel, so 3 and 3 plus 1, that is how much? 4 ohm. And here current source given, like 6 ampere. And what about current? Here I2. And what about current? Here I1. Simply, you can apply current division rule. Both current direction is opposite. So what about I1? I1 is 6 into 4 divided by 4 plus 2, that is 8. So that is 3 ampere. Okay. So I1 is how much? 3 ampere. And what about I2? I2 is, wait. 6 into 4 divided by 6 plus 2. Silly mistake. 6 into 4 divided by 4 plus 2, 6. That is 4 ampere. So basically that one is 4 ampere. Okay. So you can say that I1 is 4 ampere. Here 4 ampere. And here 4 ampere. Clear or not? And what about I2? I2 is 6. If you apply current division rule, then we got 6 into, if you 6 into 2 divided by 6, that is how much? 2 ampere. That is how much? 2 ampere. So what about that current? 2 ampere. After that, you can, that is 2 ampere. Again, apply current division rule. Why? Because if you make circuit like that one, here I3 and here I4, and that is 6 ohm, and that is 6 ohm. And what about current? I2, 2 ampere. So what about I3? Basically 1 ampere, and that is also 1 ampere. I3 is 1 ampere, and I4, that is 1 ampere, and I4 also 1 ampere. Oh, sorry. Here I3 and here I6. So that one is I6. So that one is I6. So I6 is 1 ampere. Clear or not? Okay. So I3 is how much? 1 ampere, and I6 how much? 1 ampere. After that, if you determine I7, so you can apply current division rule. 12 into 1 divided by 20, so we got 4 by 5. 4 by 5 means that is 0.8. So here 0.8 ampere. So what about current in this one? 0.2. Because of 0.8 plus 0.2, that is 1 ampere. Okay. Now after that, our motto, determine I4. I4, if you determine I4, so 1 into 6 divided by 3 plus 6, that is 9. So now that is 3 3 2 jar 6 and so 2 by 3. So that one is 2 by 3. What about current? That is 2 by 3 ampere. So what about that current? 1 minus 2 by 3. That is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 ampere. And what about Vx? And what about current in this branch? I2. I2 is how much? 2 ampere. I2 is how much? 2 ampere. So 2 into 1. That is how much? 2 volt. Okay, make it. If anyone faced out in any step, then tell me. I will explain again. If anyone faced out in any step, then tell me. I will explain again. Okay? If anyone faced out in any step, then tell me. I will explain again. Okay? If anyone faced out in any step, then tell me. I will explain again. Yes, the recorded is also available on that page. Someone said the recording will be available on your page later. Yes. And also you go in my YouTube channel, Mrityunjay Lectures, then watch my all video. Okay? If anyone faced out, then tell me. I will explain again. I hope so. All doubt are clear. So today class is over. Next day I will take another topic, or if you want to more question about current division rule in next tomorrow, then I will take. Comment it. Sir, I want to more question regarding to current division rule more. Otherwise, next day I will take another topic also. I hope so. All doubt are clear. But today I will take more complicated circuit. That's why most of the students say feel difficulty. If your class is okay, then comment it, sir, okay. If you more feel difficulty, then also tell me. And your try more important. Comment is also important for me. Your feedback is more important for me. Okay? This class is very hard, easy, or more difficult, or less difficult, or whatever you feel, then comment it and watch totally. Not only 2 or 3 minutes, 5 minutes, watch full video, then your all doubt are clear. Okay? If you see one by one step. Okay? So I hope so all doubt are clear. Thank you very much.